Hi, so if you're new to my channel and you stumbled across this video, this week is week 2 of the 777 program. And what we're doing is we're talking about 7 ways to shift your trajectory and your mindset through 7 steps over 7 weeks. So this week, we're going to talk about the gut and brain correlation. It is a thing, absolutely. I mean, what you eat affects your brain, the correlation between poor gut health and mindset. It's something that honestly could be its own program. But if you definitely like and subscribe, you'll hear more about the 777 program and some of my other great videos. So let's get into it. Today, I want you to make a conscious effort when you get up in the morning. I want you to really try to start your day with something very simple. A glass of water, cup of tea in some way, or just some warm water with lemon in it. Just something simple, because what you start your day with, what you choose to put inside your body will eventually unfold throughout the day. So if it is a, sugary donut or a sugary drink or something that is, full of high trans fats, it's going to affect your mood in the next few hours. And ultimately, a lot of people wake up with brain fog. They feel uncomfortable and then they drink this thinking it's just gonna, make it pass, but it doesn't. So starting your day with something simple breaks that fast throughout the entire time you've slept. You start to feel good. Your body is clean and your liver is the first thing that starts to clean all the garbage out of your body. So as you go out through the day, make a genuine effort to choose things that maybe are a little bit healthier for you. So instead of having that double or, extra whipped cream, maybe go without the whipped cream, or choose another drink. Maybe only have half the amount of sugar. I'm going to be honest, it's not going to happen overnight. It's not going to, in 2 days, you're going to feel fabulous because your body has been in this mode for a while. But if you make it a habit, just like brushing your teeth, and you start to make a conscious effort of getting up in the morning and having a glass of warm water with ginger or lemon or lime, whatever makes you feel good, then it becomes a habit. And I'll share this story with you very quick, that I shared this with a good friend and he was totally against it. He was like, "Oh no, I can't do that. That's not going to happen." And I said, here's the thing. If you commit to it for 30 days where you get up and you have that glass of warm water with lemon in it, I want you to tell me how you feel after 30 days. Well, he did it. And I will tell you this. He said, "I can't go back now." It's almost like it's a known response within my body to get up and have that glass of water with a little bit warm with a squeeze of lemon. He said, I feel so much better now. It became a habit. He started to feel better. So it has to become something that you tweak slowly. You're not going to go out and change everything the way you eat tomorrow. It's just not going to work out for you. But if you slowly start to pull out some of the things that you feel garbage, that don't make you feel good, then definitely cut them out, cut them back. When you go to bed at night, you should feel rested. You shouldn't feel bloated. You shouldn't feel, anxiety. You shouldn't feel indigestion and all those things that you start to feel sometimes when people go to sleep. That means you've eaten too much. That means you've eaten too many simple carbs or sugars. You should be laying down feeling full, like in a sense, feeling satisfied and ready to rest for the night. And if you're waking up in the morning and you have brain fog, if you're waking up in the morning feeling not so good, then that's a significant sign that something needs to shift. Because in order for you to shift the trajectory of your mindset, you need to make sure that your gut, which is your first brain, is in a good place. So starting small, glass of water, glass of warm water, cup of tea, something simple in the morning to break, that fast that you've been fasting all night, and then make a good choice. Maybe something light, a piece of fruit, an apple, a banana, something that is not heavy. And give your body time to process it before you begin eating something that is heavy. Take the moment, take the time. These are huge, important things. If you had a really nice car and you went and put the most terrible gas in, or you put sugar water in, what do you think would happen to your car? So the same goes for your body. So I will see you in the next video.